Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an easy free method for finding low competition selling designs and trends for print on demand. It is also one of the simplest and fastest ways to find niches, mainly by using the Amazon website and a few Chrome extensions. There is one other website where we start. Go to 𝗦𝗫research.com. Once you're at the website, simply click on the search button without typing anything in the box. This will bring up the top Amazon merch shirts. You can see the low BSRs, 4,000, 9,000, 13,000. These are really low, but most likely from larger brands such as Nickelodeon, Dr. Seuss, Peanuts, and Disney. This 𝗦𝗶𝗁𝗵𝗲 It's St. Patrick's Day shirt has sold over 8,000 times in the past month. What we want to do is go back up to this toolbar and sort the products by newest arrivals. This will now bring up the newest shirts that have sold recently. This is great because it is showing you designs that were uploaded within the past few weeks or days. Sometimes they are random designs that have happened to have sold recently, or they could also be high demand trends and low competition niches. Find the designs that have a BSR scores, and these are the designs that have sold and have been ranked in the Amazon catalog. I am using the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension to see the BSRs. We see new Easter designs because Easter is around the corner. Let's click on this Forget the Easter eggs, I'm hunting chicks design. If you scroll down to the product details section, you can see when it was uploaded. This one was uploaded on March 15, just 2 days ago, and it already sold. You can quickly check the competition with the 𝗦𝗫research Chrome extension. Select the phrase you want to search. Right-click and go to 𝗦𝗫research, and click on the Show All Merch. This phrase has only 72 results, which makes it a low competition design and could be one of the reasons why it is selling. It is also a nice design, so that definitely helps. There are other designs as well that may not necessarily be trends or holidays. This design says Your Words Matter. It is about speech therapy and awareness. This one was uploaded on March 14th, just 3 days ago, and it already sold. I was not able to find if there is an event related to this niche, but I did see that the Better Hearing and Speech Month is in May, which could possibly be the reason. This one can be an evergreen design that sells throughout the entire year. Let's search the competition. 31 results, which makes it a low competition design and could be one of the reasons why it is selling. It is also a nice design, so that definitely helps. I would target this phrase and niche and upload some designs. Because we are looking at the newest arrivals that have also recently sold, you may see many designs that are copyright infringing. These could be removed and will put the seller's account in danger of termination. I recommend that you check the designs for trademarks by searching these phrases with the 𝗬𝗏𝗍𝗔 website. You can also do this with the 𝗦𝗫research Chrome extension. To search a trademark, select the word or phrase you want to search and right-click. Then select 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏. This will bring up any trademarks related to the phrase. And our phrase, Your Words Matter, is here. Click on it and you will see that it is dead. So that means the trademark has expired and there's no longer valid. If it was live, you would also want to look here under Goods and Services for the type of product it was trademarked for. We are looking for the number 25, which is for clothing. This one was never trademarked for clothing, so you would be able to use it even if it was live. Let's check this other phrase, My First Easter. Here we see the number 25, so this phrase is trademarked for clothing. So you will not be able to make Easter birthday shirts that say My First Easter, or your design will get rejected at the listing phase. If it doesn't get detected, the owner of this trademark could take it down by submitting a claim. Someone else trademarked My First Easter with a number instead of it spelled out. You are free to upload My Second Easter and scale that up from 2 and above because there is no trademark for that phrase. This is what this screen means. I also searched the number and there was no trademark for that. This method helps you find high-demand trends and low-competition niches that you can target with your designs. However, it is important to check for trademarks using the 𝗬𝗏𝗍𝗶𝗍 website to avoid copyright infringement and potential account termination. By following these steps, you can create successful designs and scale your business on Amazon Merch and other print-on-demand platforms. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.